phase we are instructing right now sets up the students to learn and be able to employ the jet as an airborne electronic attack aircraft. So the Ellsworth range, the Powder River complex, has certain emitters that allow our aircrew to train effectively and realistically against emerging threats. Our mission as the airborne electronic attack community is to deny, degrade, or delay the enemy's ability to acquire and engage our friendly air forces. So it's very important that our aircrew get the training that they need and the range they need with the proper emitters in order to practice against threats that are out there.
Well, this is the one community that actually takes a look at strategically how to use electronic warfare and the ability to, again, get that access into a denied environment. There's really no one else looking at that holistically in a strategic picture the way this community does. And the great thing about coming out here is the Powder River Training Complex, with its size and with its emitters and threat emitters that it can give us, gives a great opportunity for that training.
Reporting from Ellsworth Air Force Base, South Dakota, I'm Airman First Class Teresa Stein.